As you can see here, all of them are copying me, and all of them are in my VIP copy trading Telegram channel. And I have two Telegram channel right now. Like, one is free Telegram channel where I provide free binary signals which you can see and trade manually, and I have another Telegram channel which is VIP copy trading channel where you can literally put a user ID in your pocket option account and you'll start to copy my trades directly. And in this video I'm going to show you a copy trading session that I have conducted just today. And also I'm going to explain the strategy that I have used in that copy trading session. So watch this video very carefully. It is our regular strategy that we have used, and for this strategy you need to put all of these currency pair that have 90% payout at the top. Okay, and then select this candlestick and make it as 30, and then click on here and put this parabolic SAR indicator. Okay, and then select the trading time frame as 30. Okay, if it is flag, make it clock and select as 30. Okay, and then again make it flag and select as plus as 30. Okay, and then decide the amount that you want to invest. Now the strategy is extremely simple. What I have did in today's session is, whenever this second dot have formed, okay, if it is above these candles or if it is below this candle, it doesn't matter in this strategy. Okay, I just made trade wherever the market have gone from that top point or any point at the top. I have made a trade by clicking on lower. So that means I was assuming whenever this second dot forms, a reversal will occur, okay, whenever this candle is trying to close. And I'll exactly show you what I mean by showing you the real trading that I have done and increased this fund up to $113. And all of those who have copied me were also able to increase their fund in their pocket option automatically. I would also suggest you to watch this video till the end so that I can provide you another strategy where I was able to achieve 100% win rate. Okay, and I want you to learn that strategy too, and it will appear anywhere at the screen in the end of this video. So keep on watching. Now I'll keep quiet and show you that trading sessions video.